like this. So that's the frame. Now I got a bunch of cards ready. You can choose any type of cards that you like or see. So the first position I'm gonna put card is on the goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper is gonna be Edison. That's the goalkeeper. And for CB, I'm gonna put Jonathan Tah. And for the other CB, I'm gonna choose Andre Cambasio. And for the LB, I'm gonna choose Axel Whistle. And for the right back, I'm going to choose Fernando Mendy. Now for cam, I'm going to choose Cole Palmer. And for the center mid, I'm going to choose Pedri and Gabriel. And for the LG blue, I'm gonna choose Eden Hazard. And for the left wing, I'm gonna choose Benzema. And for the striker, I'm going to choose someone very special, Cristiano Ronaldo. Now guys, this is how we make a football team with Magnatiles. Thanks for watching. See you next time.